I'm watching Apple right about here actually, 153. It's good that I didn't take it there. 153s with a 153.20s. I got 152.60s. 60s. Really wanted to get it here. There it goes. There it goes. Woo! Come on, Apple. Wash up. Really bad entry. I wanted to get it here. When it popped up, I just couldn't. And I had to chase it. There you go. Okay, this is interesting. Now it's looking good. We are getting there somewhere. I'm trying to take some out, guys. I am trying to take some out right over here. 151.60s. I'm just watching the tape. It looks weak, guys. I might wait on the partial. It looks weak. 51.60s. Come on, come on. Break the lows. Break the lows. Come on. No, I'm gonna take some out, guys. 65s. It's fine. It looks weak, definitely. It does look weak, but 65 is okay. Need to bank in some. Right, guys, 150.80s. I took some out. 150.80s. A really, really good exit. Boom. Yeah, that 67, 68 area is holding nicely, so I might add actually, guys. I'm gonna add 151, 59s. Okay. Around this area here. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now, once this start to make its way down to 150.50s, our stop will just go over our re-entry, just around here, which will put us in a really, really good position. Okay, 71s. I'll take some out 71s, guys. So I've taken some out 150.07s. Beautiful. I took some out around 149s, guys. I'll have to check around 149 17s, something like that. I don't have much left. I don't have 10%, barely 10%. Gonna put my stop over 150.50. That's where it held, and I'm gonna just let it run. Probably swing, but it's already done a huge move, guys. We're talking 155 to 149s for an Apple stock. As you can see on the daily, we haven't actually had that day forever, right? So it's a massive day. As you can see on the daily, we managed to catch, look at that meat of the move, guys. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Okay. So what I traded basically is starting with IC. Was quite patient with it, guys. Over here, I wanted to trade it over here, right over here for a short. I just was so patient with it. I would have lost quite a few before I actually took these trades. So that was a very well done from my side to wait up on it. But then once this started to reject after the fake breakout of the high of day, I started to look into shorts. So as it came down under EMA and it started to show sign of weakness, I showed it around 1435s with a stop 1462, got stopped out. As it started to creep back up, and usually this is kind of sign of a reversal, a stable move up. It was definitely early. I was mentioning that this is early. I will be adding over 15 as well. So it was a preemptive move, preemptive setup that I have. Not didn't risk much at all on this. It's like 30%, maybe even less than that. So I was gonna definitely add to maybe at least 60% over 15s. Never came. Hang around a bit around this level, and basically just flushed down. My stop was under VWAP, and I got just shanked out of it. So IC total result for IC for 2 trades is -2R. Then we had, you wouldn't, well actually we had the GEVO, GEVO. I started GEVO 755s short when it was showing sign of weakness right at the open. It didn't even bounce, tried to bounce, it just completely washed off. So on the pullback, 755s entry, my stop here. That was a hard stop, and I started trailing the stop now. Managed to get a really good partial here at around 713s, I believe, 713s for this stock. 754s, 55s to 713s, around 40 cents, which is very good for this stock. Now I'm running the rest with just under my break even. On the break of VWAP, I'll come out of it. But if it does hit that 7, I will come out some more and leave very few for the last runner. So +2R on GEVO. The one that we really missed was this trade here. We were actually taking a breakout setup. It did break out of this zone we were watching, this area here, breakout briefly, and then after this green candle started to work out, and then it was holding up somehow here. Looking at it, it's still a bit early, to be honest. We managed to enter about for 11 around under 1150s, 45s, and I had my stop just around 1130s. That was the hard stop. I got stopped out on it. Very small loser, about 10 cents I would say. 10 cents. I think I was a bit too tight on it. I could have afforded to at least have 20 cents on this, but well, one of those things. It just took us out and then ran for like $1.50 and even more. So yeah, a big massive miss on that, guys. -0.5R on Aether. We traded AMC for a very small loser. Right, so on AMC's trade, -0.5R, probably not even that. The last but not least, thanks to War in the chat, beautiful 6R plus trade on Apple, and I am done for the day after this move. I really didn't expect my day to be plus on the green side, let alone +5. Alright guys, take it easy, have a good one. I will see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Cheers guys.